A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start 15th lecture, 16th lecture of chapter 13 probability. So class, in previous lecture I have completed binomial or Bernoulli's theory and NCERT questions was going on. So in today lecture I will start exercise 13.5 related to binomial theory. So see, exercise 13.5. Now question is, a die is thrown 6 times. A die is thrown 6 times. If the getting or if getting an odd number, getting an odd number is a success. Getting an odd number is a success. Now see, getting an odd number is a success. Is a success. An odd number. What is the probability of first? Question first part, 5 success. Second part, at least 5 success. And at most 5 success. Third part is at most 5 success. Now fourth part, at least 1 success. Now fifth part, no success. See, you should have to read question again to understand. Now question is, a die is thrown 6 times and getting an odd number is a success. What is the probability of getting 5 success, at least 5 success, at most 5 success, at least 1 success, no success? So first of all, you will see solution. Let S be the sample space of rolling a die such that S will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and if getting an odd number, now probability of success getting an odd number, that is success, and success means we can write success means P, and P will be equal to 135 is an odd number. So total number of favorable event, that is 3 by 6, result will be 1 by 2. So this will be 1 by 2. Now probability getting not an odd number, that is failure. Failure means Q, and Q value will be equal to, not an odd number means 2, 4, 6, that will be also 3 by 6, and its result will be 1 by 2. Now see, I am going to raise this question. Now see, we are going to consider random variable. See, or let capital X denotes the random variable. So random variable X, what we can write? That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the random variable 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from the question, or according to question, small n is equal to 5. This is given. Small n, this is 6, not 5, because die is rolled 6 times or die is thrown 6 times. So by using Bernoulli's distribution or binomial distribution theorem, what we can write? Question first part is find the probability of, or what is the probability of getting 5 success. Now question first part, probability of getting 5 success. Probability of getting 5 success. So we can write this one. For 5 you can consider the random variable 5. So P of, I am writing here, P of x is equal to 5. So this result will be 65 into, for success means 1 by 2 power 5 into 1 by 2 for unsuccess, power 1. So what will be its a calculation? 65 result you know, 65 result is 6, and this one 1 by 2 to the whole power 6, and 1 by 2 whole power 6 means 6 by 64, 6 by 64. Now its answer will be 3 by 32. Now this is the answer. See, now question second part is probability of getting at least 5 success. At least 5 success. So in case of at least 5 success, we can write that is P of, for x is equal to 5 plus P of for x is equal to 6. Now this expression we can write 6C5 1 by 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 2 to the power 1 plus 6A6 1 by 2 power 6 into 1 by 2 power 0. So this expression what we can write? Its result, 6 result is 6, and this is 1 by 2 power 6. Now 6 result is 1, and 1 by 2 power 6. Now its a calculation result will be, this is 6 plus 1. So 7 by 6 plus 1 by 2 to the power 6. Now its a calculation means 7 by 64. 7 by 64 is the answer. See, now this is question second part. This is the question second part. See, now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 3, means third part. What is the third part? Probability of getting at most 5 success. This is at most 5 success. Question third part is at most 5 success. So in case what we can write? Means P of for x is equal to 0 plus P of for x is equal to 1 and this P of at most means P of for x is equal to 2 plus P of x is equal to 4 plus P of for x is equal to 5, or what we can write? We can write 1 minus, this is or 1 minus P of for x is equal to 6. So this formula we can use or this formula we can use. So we are going to this formula. So what we can write? This one we can write for x is equal to 6. This calculation will be 1 minus 6c 6 into 1 by 2 power 6 into 1 by 2 power 0, and this calculation will be 1 minus 66 is 1, and this is 1 upon 32. So 1 upon 2 to the power 6, result will be 8 8 is 64. Now it's a calculation 64 minus 1, 63 by 64. This is the answer. This is the answer. Now see. Now question number third part is completed. Now I will come to the fourth part. So fourth part is, see, question number fourth part. What is the fourth part? Fourth part is at least one success. See, in case of at least one success. Fourth part, probability of getting at least one success. Probability of getting at least one success. So at least one success, so we can write that is P of for x is greater or equal to 1. This is at least one success. So in case of at least one success, what we can write? See, for this we can write probability of for x is equal to 2, probability of for x is equal to 3, plus probability of for x is equal to 4, plus probability of for x is equal to 5, plus probability of for x is equal to 6, or here I am writing or total probability minus probability of for x is equal to 0. This one also we can write. So this formula we are going to use 1 minus probability of for x is equal to 0, and this one we can write 1 minus 6c 0. This one we can write 6c0 into 1 by 2 to the power 0 into 1 by 2 to the power 6. So this calculation will be same. 1 minus 6 is 0, result is 1. This is also 1, and 1 by 2 to the power 6, result will be 1 upon 64. And its answer will be 63 by 64. Its answer will be 63 by 64. Now this is the answer. This is question number 4th part. Now see. Now I will go to the next question. The next question is question number 5th. No success. No success. Probability of getting no success. So in case of no success, what we can write the formula? Means in case of no success, we have to calculate for x is equal to 0. In case of no success, we can write only probability for x is equal to 0, because x denotes the number of success. So 0 success, 1 success, 2 success, 3 success, 4 success, 5 success, 6 success. So for x is equal to 0, this is for no success, and this one we can write 6 C 0 1 by 2 to the power 0 into 1 by 2 to the power 6. If no success, then 6 time will be failure. So its calculation 6 C1, result is 1, 1 by 2, result is 1, and 1 by 2 to the power 6, result is 64. And now its calculation will be 1 upon 64. Now 1 upon 64 is the answer for no success. See, this question is so important, and this question has come in Jammu Board 2015, Haryana Publication Board 2009, 2010 CBSE, and 2015 also. So this question is so important, and in this question there are 5 parts. This is 5th part, not 4th part. So probability of getting success, at least 5 success, at most 5 success, 1 success, and no success. So there are 5 parts in this question. And now in this question you will see we have applied the formula Bernoulli's theory or binomial theorem. Binomial theorem, by using binomial expansion, we have split this part. Now see, and this random variable also you know how it comes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You already know. X denotes the number of success. So 6 time if the die is rolled, and we have to see only a success for means for only odd number. So what will be the probability? That is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, both, in case of both, getting an odd number and getting an even number. So suppose if the dice is thrown 6 times, so even number can come, or odd number can come, 0 times odd number, or 0 times 1 times odd number, 1 times 2 times odd number, 3 times odd number, 4 times odd number, 5 times odd number, 6 times odd number. Then if the die in this experiment, if the die is rolled 6 times and 5 times, that is success, so 1 by 2 to the power 5 will be here, and for unsuccess means failure, 1 by 2 to the power 1. This is for success and this is for failure. This is for success. And this is for failure. This is for success and for failure. So this is our question and it is completed.